Hello everyone, welcome to Simple Maths and Physics. Today we have a fun riddle about two trains and a tiny fly. Let's look at the setup of the problem. Two trains are 100 kilometers apart. Train A is moving at 60 kilometers per hour and train B is moving toward it at 40 kilometers per hour. A tiny fly starts flying between them at 80 kilometers per hour. Each time the fly reaches one train, it instantly turns around and heads toward the other. We can call each of these trips x1, x2, x3, and so on. Each trip is shorter than the previous one because the trains are getting closer and closer to each other. If we add up all these individual trips, x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4, we get the total distance the fly travels before the trains meet each other. The question is, how far does the fly travel before the trains crash? Pause the video and think about it for a few seconds. When you are ready, press play and I will show you a very simple way to solve it. Inspired by the famous mathematician Bernhard Riemann. Okay, now let's see how Riemann's method makes this problem easy to solve. Instead of adding up all the short flights the fly makes, x1, x2, x3, and x4, and so on, we can think of the fly's motion as one smooth, continuous movement. Riemann's idea was that continuous motion can be treated as a whole. We don't need to break it into small parts. So all we need to do is find how long it takes for the two trains to meet each other, and then multiply that time by the fly's speed. That's it. It's a simple and a smart way to solve the puzzle, inspired by Riemann. Okay, let's find how long it takes for the two trains to meet each other. Train A moves at 60 kilometers per hour and train B moves toward it at 40 kilometers per hour. Because the trains are moving toward each other, the speeds add up. So, we calculate their relative speed. We add their magnitude together. Therefore, the relative speed is 60 plus 40, which equals 100 kilometers per hour. The two trains are 1 kilometer apart, so we can find the time it takes for them to meet using the formula times is equal distance divided by relative speed, which gives 100 divided by 100 equals 1 hour. Now, during that 1 hour the fly is flying continuously at 80 kilometers per hour. So, in 1 hour, the fly travels 80 kilometers in total. And yes, that's our final answer, 80 kilometers. So, to summarize, the fly travels a total of 80 kilometers before the trains meet. This little riddle is a perfect example of how continuous motion can help us simplify what looks like a complicated problem. Instead of adding up every individual piece of distance, we use Riemann's method to see the whole motion as one simple idea, and that made everything easier. I love to hear your thoughts. Leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe for more quick and fascinating puzzles here on Simple Maths and Physics. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.